This video reached an incredible 254 million views. This one hit 144 million views. This one reached 141 million. And this one exploded to 120 million views. Every single one of these videos belongs to the Stickman Animation niche, and they consistently generate an unbelievable number of views. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos just like these using AI, from the very beginning all the way to the finished result. If you go to YouTube and search for Rico Animation's channel, you'll notice that it has over 13 million subscribers from only 846 videos. And if we check the channel statistics, we'll see that in the last month alone, it generated an estimated $4,200 in revenue. But before we begin the tutorial, let's take a quick look at a video that I created using the exact same method I'll be teaching you today.
Oh dear! Look out! Run!
As you just saw, the video looks amazing, and it's entertaining for viewers of all ages, both kids and adults. This type of content is incredibly popular right now, and it consistently attracts a massive number of views. So, let's jump right into the tutorial. First, we're going to open ChatGPT. I already created a custom master prompt specifically designed to make videos like these. If you'd like me to share it with you, make sure to leave a like and type prompt in the comments. Now, I'm going to copy the master prompt, head back to ChatGPT, paste it into the chat, and click Send. Then, we simply wait for a few moments while ChatGPT does the work. It will generate 10 unique and high-quality video ideas that make the entire creation process much easier. And it's finished. Let's take a look at the results. As you can see, every single idea is creative and interesting. For this tutorial, we'll choose one as an example. I'm going to pick idea number 1, titled The Giant Rolling Boulder. Next, I'll simply type number 2 and press Send. Once it's finished, you'll notice that ChatGPT has generated everything we need. It created 3 image prompts and 2 video prompts, making the entire workflow incredibly simple. Now it's time to start generating our images. First, I'll copy the image prompt number 1. Then, we'll head over to the Google Flow website. We'll click New Project and wait for the page to finish loading. Next, we'll select the following settings: Image 9:16, X1, and Nano Banana 2. After that, we'll paste the prompt, click Send, and wait while the first image is generated. Perfect! Our first image has been generated successfully. Now, we'll go back to ChatGPT, copy image prompt number 2, return to Google Flow, click on the first image, choose Add to Prompt, paste the new prompt, and click Send once again. Then, we'll wait for the second image to finish generating. After the second image is ready, we'll return to ChatGPT one more time and copy image prompt number 3. Back inside Google Flow, we'll click on the second image, choose Add to Prompt, paste the third prompt, and press Send. Then, we'll simply wait for the third image to finish generating. Great! Our third image has been generated successfully, and now it's finally time to start generating the videos. Now, let's head back to ChatGPT and copy video prompt number 1. Then, we'll return to Google Flow. Here, we'll select the following settings: Video, Frames, 9:16, X1, and VEO 3.1 Fast. Next, we'll click on the first image and choose Add to Prompt so it becomes the start frame. After that, we'll click on the second image and choose Add to Prompt so it becomes the end frame. Now, we'll paste the prompt, click Send, and wait while the first video is generated. Perfect! The first video has been generated successfully. Now, we'll click on the video, select Download, choose 720p, and wait for the download to finish. Just like that, we've created our first AI video. Now, we're simply going to repeat the exact same process for the second one. Let's go back to ChatGPT and copy video prompt number 2. Then, we'll return to Google Flow. This time, we'll click on the second image and choose Add to Prompt so it becomes the start frame. Next, we'll click on the third image and choose Add to Prompt so it becomes the end frame. After that, we'll paste the second prompt, click Send, and wait for the second video to finish generating. Awesome! The second video has been generated successfully. Now, we'll click on the video, choose Download, select 720p, and wait for it to finish downloading. And just like that, we've generated everything we need for our project. Now, it's time for the final step, combining the videos together and hiding the watermark. For this, I'll be using CapCut. First, I'll import all of the videos we just downloaded. Then, I'll drag them onto the timeline like this. After that, I'll zoom the video in slightly to 105%. This simple adjustment hides the watermark completely while keeping the video looking clean and professional. Once everything looks good, we'll click Export, and just like that, the video is ready to publish. And that's it! We've covered the entire process from start to finish. Now, it's your turn to follow these steps and start creating videos that have the potential to reach millions of views. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.